Hello friends, welcome to Excalibur. In this video, we will see how we can freeze rows and columns in Excel. So there might be a situation where your Excel sheet is too big and you might have multiple columns or multiple rows, but you need to see some of them on the sheet all the time. So to do this, we have a functionality here in Excel which is called freeze panes. And this functionality is available on the View tab here. Okay, so by default, we have three options here. We'll see these options one by one, and we'll see how the freezing thing works in Excel. Okay, so I click on freeze panes and I use the second option here, freeze the top row. So once I do that, you see that the first row here will be freezed, and if I now scroll my sheet, you see that this is the 20th row. If I scroll further, this is the 29th row. So my first row gets freezed in this case. To unfreeze it, you have to select on unfreeze panes. Okay, now let's try to freeze this first column. So to do that, I'll click on freeze first column. And now if I try to move the scroll bar, you see that the first column here remains freezed and the following columns get disappeared if you scroll it to the right. Okay, so that's the way how we freeze the first column. So I'll just go ahead again and unfreeze this. Now there's another way by which you can freeze multiple rows or multiple columns. So for example, I want to freeze the first, second, third, and the fourth row. Okay. So to do this, I click on the fifth row. So this is my fifth row, which says serial number 4, and I want to freeze the all the columns that are above it. Sorry, all the rows. Okay. And I'll select this one, and I will say freeze panes. And now, if I scroll up, you see that serial number 1, 2, and 3. So till the fourth row, everything is freezed, and here the other rows are moving up. So that's the way you could select multiple rows and freeze them. The idea is that you have to select a row or a column before which you want the freezing. So that's the only point to be taken care in this case. And to unfreeze it, it's the same procedure. So you unfreeze it and then the sheet works in the normal course. I hope this video will be helpful in your work. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.